So today I'm going to tell you how to make your razor blades last longer. In the picture you see two of the best razor blades made, the Gillette Mach 3 and the Gillette Fusion. The Mach 3 costs about $4 or $5 a pop. The Gillette costs even more. So if you can make them last longer, that would be good. When I used them before, they lasted about a month. With my technique, they last about 2 months. So I'm going to get right into it. How can we double the longevity of your razor blade? So, why do razor blades wear out? You might assume that simple wear and tear makes the blades less sharp, but that actually isn't the main factor. Research has shown that oxidation is actually the main culprit. The blade does not so much wear out as it becomes pitted and brittle and little microscopic pieces break off. And this is caused by the oxidation from the water and dirt on the blade. So to reduce this oxidation chemical reaction, we are going to do the following procedure. First, after shaving, wash the blade with water thoroughly. Then tap off the extra water on a towel. Now wash the blade in rubbing alcohol as shown here. Now tap off the excess alcohol. Now use a Q-tip to coat the blade with baby oil. This will protect the blade from air and water and provide a protective coating. So I guess one question you could ask yourself is it worth it? I spend about 1 minute a day doing this. That's 30 minutes a month, and I save about $2.50, so I'm working at $5 an hour, which is below minimum wage. So if you have lots of important things to do with your time, I guess it's not worth it. If you're retired like me, hey, why not save the environment? Anyways, hope you liked my video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.